Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to download all your TikTok data. Really simple and easy to do. So first things first, you guys want to head over to your TikTok application and open that up. Once that's open, you guys want to head over to the bottom right tab. It is the Me tab. And then once you're on here, you want to click on the three dots right beside your username at the very top right. Click on that, and then you will see an option under the account here. It says Privacy and Safety. You want to click on that. And then under Personalization and Data, you'll see the tab Personalization and Data. Click on that. And then you'll see the option to download your data. So you want to click on that right there. Take a second to load. And then under the request data, it says you can request a copy of your TikTok data at any time. It takes up to 30 days to process your request. And some of the information you can download is your profile stuff. So your username, profile photos, description, contact info, your activity, and your app settings. So depending on how much data you have, how much TikTok videos you have, and everything like that, that's how long it would take to process. So you guys want to click on Request Data File. I've already got mine requested. So you guys will be able to check here, see how it's doing. So it could take a couple days to process, and it'll be available to download for up to 4 days. So I would just keep on checking back here to check on how much longer it's going to take and stuff for your data. But I really hope I was able to help you guys out with this video. If I was, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more TikTok content. Thanks for watching.